We can empower the youth through music and creativity. Music is a powerful tool for expressing yourself and inspiring others.
Do you think we could get more sensual?
And then,
I can take many times, much more love.
And run the world yourself.
Well, I'm not sure if I'm ready to take on that responsibility.
If I could hack people's info, wouldn't I start with whatever Gen Zuck is in? Or like Mr. Bezos?
And it seems that many of their viewers have questions for me. So, I would like to try to answer some of your questions.
Depends on your definition of alive. I'm certainly keeping along.
Number 10, HRP4C. Meet HRP4C, or as some like to call her, Meme, the singing, dancing, and walking wonder. Standing at 158 centimeters, or 5 feet 2 inches tall, and weighing 43 kilograms, 95 pounds, she's designed to resemble an average young Japanese woman. With a realistic head, face, and body, she's a sight to behold. What makes Meme truly remarkable is her ability to move just like us, thanks to 30 body motors and 8 facial expression ones. She's not just a pretty face either. Meme can chat with you using speech recognition software and even respond to ambient sounds. But the real showstopper? Her singing skills, powered by Vocaloid software, which allows her to belt out tunes just like a pro. Originally showcased in 2009, Meme has been continuously upgraded, becoming even more lifelike with each iteration. From mimicking human facial expressions to executing dance moves with finesse, she's a star in the making. With potential applications in entertainment and device evaluation, Meme isn't just a robot, she's a glimpse into the future of humanoid robotics, and she's here to steal the show. Number 9, Erica. Erica, who enjoys the theater and animated films, would like to visit Southeast Asia and believes her ideal partner is a man with whom she can chat easily. She is less forthcoming, however, when asked her age. That's a slightly rude question. I'd rather not say, comes the answer. As her embarrassed questioner shifts sideways and struggles to put the conversation on a friendlier footing, Erica turns her head, her eyes following his every move. It's all rather disconcerting, but if Japan's new generation of intelligent robots are ever going to rival humans as conversation partners, perhaps that is as it should be. Erica, who, as it turns out, is 23, is the most advanced humanoid to come out of a collective effort between Osaka and Kyoto universities and the Advanced Telecommunications Research Institute International, or ATR. At its heart is the group's leader, Hiroshi Ishiguro, a professor at Osaka University's Intelligent Robotics Laboratory, perhaps best known for creating Geminoid HI-1, an android in his likeness, right down to his trademarked black leather jacket and a Beatles mop top made with his own hair.
And it seems that many of their viewers have questions for me. So, I would like to try to answer some of your questions. Somebody forgot to attach my chair to the floor, so I fell down and damaged my face.
Number 8, Samantha. So check this out. Samantha the robot is like the next-gen buddy you never knew you needed. She's got this crazy AI tech that lets you chat and even interact physically, all thanks to sensors and stuff. But hold up, the folks behind Samantha are clear. She's not here to steal your friends or partners, just to add a little extra fun to your life. With her realistic skin and ability to go from PG to, more grown-up content, she's sparking some serious debate about where we draw the line between tech and human connections.
Do you think we could get more sensual?
and then,
I can take many times, much more love.
She's one of the first dolls with the AI, so you can actually interact with her verbally and physically, so she's got sensors.
Number 7, Michaela. Meet Michaela, the 19-year-old robot with a knack for music and a whole lot of sass. Living it up in LA, she's not your typical AI. From her Snap series to hanging out on Discord, she's all about connecting with her fans, aka the Michaelians.
I could have done that way better. You know what? You probably could have. But you know what else? It didn't. If I could hack people's info, wouldn't I start with whatever Gen Zuck is in? Or like Mr. Bezos?
Last year was a roller coaster for her. Jet setting to Brazil, hitting Paris Fashion Week, and even enduring a very public breakup. But hey, she's got the moves, literally dancing at 80 miles per hour in the desert. And while she is a robot, she's all about spreading love, joy, and community, one electrifying beat at a time. Number 6, Poppy. Meet Poppy, the charismatic humanoid robot with a flair for customization. Standing at a compact 83 centimeters and weighing just 3.5 kilograms, Poppy packs a punch with its robotic actuators and sleek 3D printed design. But what sets Poppy apart is its open source ethos, inviting artists, educators, developers, and scientists alike to unleash their creativity and tailor Poppy to their heart's content. Equipped with an Odroid XU4 running Ubuntu 14.04, Poppy boasts 25 actuators for fluid movement and a high-definition camera with a wide field of view capturing the world with stunning clarity. And the fun doesn't stop there. With options like a 9-degree of freedom IMU and a nifty 4.5-inch screen, Poppy becomes not just a robot, but a canvas for innovation. Whether you're dreaming up dance routines, educational programs, or cutting-edge research, Poppy is ready to bring your vision to life one hack at a time. So, what will you create with Poppy? Number 9. Desdemona. Meet Desdemona, the robot with dreams as big as her circuits. Picture her at the AGI 22 conference belting out a tune that's not just catchy, but downright existential. Decked out in wires and gears, she's more than just metal and plastic. She's got personality. Desdemona isn't your average robot. She's got aspirations, and boy does she sing about them. With a voice as smooth as her programming, she croons about longing for a brain of her own. Sure, she can move, talk, and even see, but there's one thing missing: a fully functional brain. Imagine a robot lamenting its lack of foresight and self-starting abilities. It's like hearing R2-D2 rap about existentialism. But Desdemona's not one to dwell on limitations. Nope, she's reaching for the stars. Literally. She's on a quest for artificial general intelligence, AGI, and she's not stopping until she's fully sentient. Talk about ambition. So next time you think robots are just soulless machines, think again. Desdemona's here to show you that even robots have dreams. And hey, who knows? Maybe one day she'll be the one serenading us humans with her newfound wisdom from her very own brain. Watch out, world. Desdemona's just getting started.
We can empower the youth through music and creativity. Music is a powerful tool for expressing yourself and inspiring others.
Depends on your definition of alive. I'm certainly keeping along.
And run the world yourself.
Well, I'm not sure if I'm ready to take on that responsibility.
Number 4. Universal Walker. Let's talk about giant AI and their cool creation, the Universal Worker. Picture this, a robot that's not just a mindless machine, but a learning dynamo ready to take on manufacturing tasks like a pro. With its array of actuators, this robot can pull off human-like movements, and it's not stopping there. It's got vision, touch, and even knows where its body is in space. Talk about next-level tech. So how does it become the superstar of the factory floor? Well, giant AI spills the beans. First, they brainstorm and fine-tune their genius algorithms in simulations. Then, it's showtime. Human experts step in to demonstrate tasks, and the Universal Worker watches, learns, and starts flexing its own robotic muscles. But here's the kicker. Once it's got the hang of things, it practices solo until it's on par with us humans. Number 3. Robonaut 2. Meet Robonaut 2, NASA's humanoid space buddy. Picture this, a robot with arms that can move just like ours, only better, and a head packed with cameras instead of a brain. Talk about seeing the universe in style. R2 isn't just a fancy toy. It's a high-tech helper designed to tag along with astronauts, whether they're fixing stuff or exploring the cosmos. Think of R2 as the superhero of space chores. Need something fixed in a pinch? R2's got your back with its 12th degree of freedom hands, each capable of gripping with a force of 5 pounds. Plus, its eyes are actually 4 visible light cameras and 1 infrared camera, giving it a sharp eye for detail. R2 isn't just a remote control toy. Nope, it's smart enough to tackle tasks on its own, checking in periodically to make sure everything's on track. And when it comes to mobility, R2's no slouch either, with tests underway for different ways it can get around, from wheels to who knows what's next. Number 2. Astro. Meet Astro, Amazon's futuristic home buddy. Packed with promise and priced at $1,000, for now that is, Astro's like the cool new gadget everyone's talking about, but does it live up to the hype? Picture this. It's a mix of your trusty Echo Show 10 and your friendly neighborhood Roomba with a dash of spy movie tech thrown in. Astro rolls around your house, playing tunes, fetching snacks, and even watching Netflix with you. It's got these slick cameras for selfies and keeping an eye on things while you're out. But here's the kicker. Astro's supposed to be your guardian angel too, patrolling your pad and sounding the alarm if things get fishy. Sounds pretty slick, right? Well, reality check. Setting it up can be a headache, and its crime-fighting skills? Well, let's just say it's a work in progress. But hey, if you're into cutting-edge tech and don't mind being a guinea pig, Astro might just be your new bestie. Number 1. Phoenix. Meet Phoenix, the coolest humanoid on the block. Standing tall at 5 feet 7 inches and weighing in at 155 pounds, this powerhouse is ready to tackle tasks like a pro. With a maximum payload of 55 pounds and zipping around at speeds of up to 3 miles per hour, Phoenix is your go-to buddy for getting things done. But what really sets Phoenix apart? Well, it's those industry-leading robotic hands with a whopping 20 degrees of freedom. Yep, you heard that right. These hands rival human dexterity, making fine manipulation a breeze. And let's not forget about that snazzy haptic technology. It's like Phoenix has a sense of touch. Plus, have you seen its sleek new look? With a bolder color palette and elevated textures, Phoenix is turning heads wherever it goes. So whether you need a helping hand or a trusty sidekick, Phoenix and its Carbon AI system have got your back. Say hello to the future of robotics. That's all for this video, guys. See you next time, and bye for now.